Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Technoc Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you best micro USB cables in 2024. Don't forget to activate the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. The Essager 240W USB Type-C to USB-C cable is a powerhouse for fast charging, offering up to 240W PD 3.1 support, making it ideal for a wide range of devices like laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Its durable design features an aluminum shell with highly durable nylon braided wire, ensuring long-lasting use. With backward compatibility for PD 140W, 100W, and other lower power profiles, this cable suits various charging needs, including MacBook Pro, Xiaomi, and Samsung Galaxy models. It also boasts a 480 megabits per second data transfer speed and a smart LED display to monitor charging status in real time. This cable is perfect for users who demand reliability and speed, all wrapped in a sleek, rugged design.